It's another beautiful sunny day in the great Northwest. Today we're doing something special, replacing nails and installing screws. Here we go. Much better, yeah, because these nails, you see how they keep popping out. All right, Dave, let me see one more. The gutter's still in good shape. It's clean. They just had their moss removed.
Check out my famous crowbar.
Look at that crowbar, miniature. All right, we got the ferrule in here. We're gonna put that back. Install the screw. A little bit more. Tightened up. Ah, beautiful. That's beautiful. All right. Got screws everywhere. So we got one more nail to go. I'm gonna move over just a little bit. We're just showing you the difference between spikes. Obviously, when we install a new gutter, we're gonna have internal brackets with screw. But since the gutter is still good shape, and it's already got the hole in the face, so this will last a little bit longer. Very nice. Beautiful, I like it.
Didn't grab.
Very solid.
Kinda did.
Yeah, it was good. Very nice job. Got this gutter installed, brand new. Custom outlet. Look at the space in here. This gutter was half full of water. Look at the space in here. And it might, look at that, still flow in the opposite direction. So this whole roof is like saggy, but we did the best we could. We actually notched the gutter out to give it a lift. And then about this point on, it starts dropping quite a bit. And we are about 4 inches difference. So I think we might need some more glue in here. But yeah, got this one done. It looks beautiful. It's actually a white bottom fascia. Very nice gutter. Very beautiful. So we saved the downspout there. And then we also did this gutter here. These two. 1, 2. Hidden hangers every 2 feet. You can see we started off basically flush over here. Flush. And as we get further down, look where the rafter tails are. Huge dropping. It's barely sloping. So if you look right here, you can see the roof is caved in the middle and it goes down that way. So a good thing we cut the gutter here as well. Job well done.